Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are good. So, in our previous class, we have completed one portion of the exercise of chapter 3, and today we will complete the remaining part of exercise. Okay, so let's start. So, in the exercise part, we have this activity on page number 20 of your book. So, in the first activity, tick the work that you can do on a computer. So means here you all can see 4 pictures are given there. Okay, so you have to tick on the picture, okay, which you can do on a computer. Okay, as you can see here, in the first picture, play games. So can we play games using computer? Yes, we can play games on a computer system. So you will tick here. In this box you will tick here. Okay, next picture is run. So can we run using computer? Do we use computer for running? No, we don't use computer for running. So you will leave that box blank. Next is swimming. So do we swim using computer? And last you can see draw cartoons. Can we draw cartoons or anything using computer? Yes, we can make pictures on a computer system. So first and the last one you will tick in this box, and in this one remaining 2 you will leave blank. Okay, now come to the next part of the exercise. Here draw lines to match the use of computer with the picture. So here you have to identify the pictures, okay, and you will match it accordingly. Like in this picture you can see there is a computer system. One person is sitting there and another is waiting outside. Okay, and cash. So means he is waiting for cash. Okay, so what is happening here? Okay, first understand about the pictures and then I will read these options. Okay, in next picture you can see one teacher is there and there is a classroom. Okay, and students are learning here on a computer system. In next picture you can see Asian Mall. So it's a picture of a mall. Here one person is waiting here with, and bags are here kept here, and one person is writing something on a computer. So I think it's a picture where he is making a bill, because in a mall what happens, we purchase the things and we get the bill from there. In the next picture you all can see here there is a ticket counter. One person is sitting there on a computer and 2 persons are waiting here with their bags. So he is booking tickets now. So here we have 4 options: teaching and learning. So where the teaching and learning is happening? In this picture. So you will draw a line from here to there. In second, making bills. So bills, where bills are made? Bills are made in malls and shops. So you will match second option with this picture. Next is withdrawing money, means paise nikalna. So there it is with this picture. And in the next part we have booking tickets. This is the ticket counter from where customers are standing there for ticket reservation. Okay, now we have page number 21 on which there is a picture. There you can see some spellings are given there. So find and encircle the name of the place. What you have to do, you have to find and circle the names of the places where computers are used in the word grid given below. Means in this word grid you have to identify, you have to find and encircle these names. Okay, use suitable word from hints to fill the blanks. Okay, now what you have to do, you will find these words in this word grid and you will encircle these words, and next what you will do, you will fill these words in these 4 blanks. My father has computer in his. So where father may have computer, where father may have in the school, in the shop, in the office or airport. So obviously father can have computer in his office. Next is I use computer in my. So where you can use at your home, and you can use it because home is not given here, so you can write school from the list. Third point is I have seen computer in almost every for making bills. So where bills are made, bills कहाँ बनाए जाते हैं? I have seen computer in almost every shop for making bills. And the last is computers are being used for booking tickets. Where do we book tickets? At airports. Okay, so this is how you will complete page number 20 and 21 of your book. Okay, so complete remaining part. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.